Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the Axie Infinity Marketplace. In this video, we're going to walk you through everything you need to know about this platform. The Axie Infinity Marketplace is where players can buy and sell Axies, digital pets that you can use in the game Axie Infinity. This marketplace offers an intuitive interface to browse, search, and filter listings based on traits, prices, and more. You'll also see how to set up your wallet to make secure transactions. When you log in, the homepage gives you a clear view of what's available. You can sort through the Axies by price, breed count, or class. The marketplace displays essential details like the Axies level, class, and abilities, which are critical for making informed decisions. Axies come with varying traits like body parts, classes, and abilities, so understanding these elements can help you make better purchasing choices. Once you find the Axie you're interested in, you can view a detailed profile, including its stats and a price history, to see how much it has sold for in the past. This helps in assessing whether the current price is a good deal. Now, let's take a look at the buying process. When you've selected your Axie, the next step is to click on the Buy button. You'll be prompted to connect your wallet, which can be a MetaMask wallet or any other wallet that supports Ethereum-based transactions. After connecting, you simply confirm the transaction, and your purchase is complete. Now you own a new Axie that you can use in battles or sell later. Selling Axies is just as simple. You can list your Axies for sale on the marketplace by setting your own price. The process is similar to buying, where you just select the sell option and input the amount you wish to sell for. Keep in mind that listing fees apply when selling, and these fees are deducted from the final sale price. With the rise of play-to-earn games, Axie Infinity has become one of the most popular and lucrative opportunities for players worldwide. In fact, many people are turning their Axie assets into income-generating opportunities. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. As we return to the Axie Infinity Marketplace, remember that purchasing Axies is a long-term investment for anyone serious about the game. The key to success lies in choosing Axies that complement your gameplay strategy, particularly when you're building a team for battles or other activities within the ecosystem. When navigating the marketplace, it's also important to stay updated on the market trends. Prices can fluctuate based on supply and demand, so keeping an eye on listings can help you catch a good deal or sell at the right time. In addition to individual Axies, the marketplace also offers land and other in-game assets, which can be valuable for players looking to expand their presence in the Axie universe. If you're looking for land or a specific breed of Axie, you can use the search and filtering options to narrow down your choices. Finally, don't forget to stay informed on any new updates or features that are released for the marketplace. Axie Infinity is a constantly evolving ecosystem, and understanding new features will help you stay competitive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Axie Infinity tips and guides.